Today, from Great Taste of Las Vegas, we're going to make a very healthy summer drink that will have cucumber, the main ingredient for your juice today. Okay, for the cucumber, you wash them with salt and rinse it. And then cut them and put them into, it doesn't need to be small pieces because the blender will grind that for you. So just cut it so it fit nicely in there. Water, just put some water and grind it. So it come down so you know how much left for you to add more fruit in here, okay? So far, you have extra room now. You can add other fruit that you have in the refrigerator. For example, I have some cut mango. I will put some in here. And then I have some papaya that are cut and some cantaloupe, whatever fruit that you have ready in there. So you can add that cantaloupe or whatever that you have left over. I cut some mango a few days ago and some papaya, so I put them together. That's it. That's all there is to it. You can put a little bit of salt in here. Okay, so grind that. So you see it very smooth. If you want more smooth, you can grind some more. So you see it really smooth now. You can turn that off. And this is your summer drinks right here. If you want it to be sweet, you can add some maple syrup in here. So this is your summer drink, cucumber and fruit. Your perfect summer drink. Tastes so good the way it is. It's just sweet rice, but if you like more sweet, like a dessert, you can add maple syrup into it. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, hope you're happy and healthy.